Welcome to the MySammy Manager. The MySammy Manager consists of 4 filter selection widgets at each corner, with the main graph shown in the center. Let's look at how the date range widget works. We see a week is highlighted. We can change the period to 1 day by clicking on a day. We can see the center graph changed immediately to reflect our selection. We can also select a month time period by clicking on a month. Now our chart contains data for the period of a month. We can view a week of data by clicking on an arrow to the left of any week. Now let's look at the user selection widget. By default, all users are selected so managers can easily make comparisons between users. Let's view charts for only one or a few users. To do this, simply click on one of the users' names. The chart updates and shows data for only our user Jessica. We can check on more users to add their data to the chart. To explain the status summary widget, we need to explain the color coding scheme in MySammy. When a user is actively using a computer, MySammy shows that as green to represent active time. Once that user stops using the keyboard or mouse for more than 1 minute, MySammy shows light green to represent idle time. After 5 minutes, MySammy uses yellow to represent extended idle. Eventually, if the screensaver is enabled on a user's computer, the PC will go into screensaver mode, which is represented by orange. The red and pink show the activities that are non-productive as determined by the manager. Now let's look at the status summary widget. This pie chart shows the percentage of time spent in each category. Let's click on the active green section. We will see the center graph updates to reflect only the active data. Now click on light green idle. The chart now includes both active and idle data. The same can be done for other categories. To undo the changes, click on the same sections of the pie chart. Idle, then click active. The chart updates to include all statuses. The last widget is the application summary. This shows the percentage of time spent using each most used application. It allows you to filter data in the same fashion as the status summary widget. Let's click on one of our applications in the pie chart, Outlook. The center graph shows how the selected users used Outlook. We can re-click Outlook to undo the changes. As you can see, the 4 widgets work as a filter selection to control the data shown in the center of the MySammy Manager. They can be used together in any combination.